3D media content is still commonly created with 2D user interfaces, in spite of significant advances in the field of augmented reality. We have analyzed the requirements for professional 3D design and developed a new AR user interface for 3D artists. Novel 3D UI concepts can make the artist's work easier and more efficient. For example, we employ an animation key on the non-dominant hand. Thus, the artist can flip through the animation with a quick wave. Since it's still possible to modify objects while controlling the time, rough animations can be created extremely fast. Furthermore, a 3D UI allows faster and more intuitive object manipulation. A single hand offers 6 degrees of freedom naturally, and by using the position of the second hand, all 9 degrees of freedom can be manipulated simultaneously. This allows precise and comfortable interaction. Professional 3D content is often very big and complex. Imagine animating a character that is walking through a big city. The UI must provide a fast and intuitive method to navigate through the scene. We implement grabbing the air navigation. It feels intuitive even when working with a single object. The artist can grab an object with one hand and continue to work on it with the other. Note that this in fact moves the user's point of view and does not edit the content. Zooming, done with the Shift key, is changing the user's size in the scene. When using two hands, the pivot lies between the hands and the distance between the hands controls the zoom. Not all tasks in 3D design are 3D. Therefore, we support 2D windows. However, floating windows can be difficult to interact with, so we implemented a different approach. The windows always surround the user on a background beyond arm's reach. Respecting the dominant eye of the user, a single point and click brings the window into focus. It is then moved to the position of the cursor to allow direct interaction. When it comes forward, it is automatically rescaled to keep its apparent size. A window that loses focus is sent to the back, again changing its scale to keep its apparent size. Comfort during extended use is a critical issue. We use a lightweight head-mounted display, so the artist is not required to hold a mobile device. It is possible to rest the elbows or forearms on the table while working. This greatly reduces strain during extended use. 3D design work requires a huge amount of tools and features. We implemented 8 glove buttons with 2 opposing contact areas, thumb and palm. All buttons can be operated by the thumb. The little finger is the Shift key. Placed into the palm, it changes the function of the other buttons. The non-dominant hand extends the user interface. The Shift button is shared between both hands, so it can also be held with the thumb of the opposing hand. The software functions are presented in 3D marking menus. It has a palette shape, the natural range of motion of the hand, which makes it more comfortable to reach all the functions. Professional media creation is a team effort. The user interface must at least support interactive reviews by allowing multiple people to view the content simultaneously to give comments. But full real-time collaboration may be an advantage over traditional user interfaces. We demonstrated our prototype AR user interface based on requirements for professional 3D design. Please see the paper for more detailed information.